What if the very tools you rely on for your financial decisions aren't as secure as you think? We're talking about charting platforms, the digital canvases where traders and investors analyze market trends, devise strategies, and even execute trades. And for many, the go-to platform is TradingView. With its massive user base, powerful features, and seemingly endless customization options, it's a staple for millions. But the question that quietly sits in the back of many minds, especially as cyber threats grow more sophisticated, is TradingView truly safe? Let's dissect this. When we talk about safety in the context of an online platform, it usually boils down to a few key pillars: data security, privacy, and protection against scams or malicious activities. TradingView, as a charting and social networking platform for traders, operates in an environment ripe for both genuine collaboration and potential exploitation. So, how does it measure up? First, let's address data security. TradingView is not a brokerage; it doesn't hold your trading capital directly. This is a crucial distinction. Your funds remain with your chosen broker, and TradingView acts as a sophisticated interface. This immediately reduces one layer of financial risk, as the platform isn't directly handling your money. However, it does handle a significant amount of your personal data, your login credentials, analysis, watch lists, and potentially even linked brokerage accounts if you utilize their direct trading integrations. TradingView states they employ strong cybersecurity measures, including encryption protocols and two-factor authentication, 2FA. They also emphasize that they don't process payments themselves, relying on compliant third-party processors. These are all positive signs, indicating a commitment to safeguarding user information. They actively encourage users to enable 2FA and create strong, unique passwords, which are fundamental steps in personal online security. Next, privacy. TradingView's privacy policy outlines what data they collect and how it's used. They gather information when you register, participate in forums, and interact with the site. This includes your name, email address, and IP address. They state they do not sell, trade, or otherwise transfer your personally identifiable information to outside parties, except for trusted third parties who assist them in operating their site or business, under confidentiality agreements. Non-personally identifiable data, however, may be shared for marketing or advertising. It's always important to read through these policies yourself, but on the surface, their approach aligns with standard industry practices. They also offer privacy settings for users, allowing you to control aspects like who can initiate private chats with you. Now, for the trickier part, protection against scams and malicious activities that leverage the platform. This is where user vigilance becomes paramount. While TradingView itself implements security measures, its popularity makes it a target for scammers. There have been reports of fake YouTube channels impersonating TradingView, offering cracked versions of the software or developer access that, in reality, are designed to install malware and steal crypto wallet credentials. Users have also reported phishing attempts and fake social media accounts trying to solicit sensitive information. TradingView actively addresses these issues through blog posts and security tips, warning users to only download official apps, trust only official channels, and be wary of too good to be true offers. They also advise against sharing passwords or 2FA codes, as TradingView will never ask for them. The platform's social aspect, while beneficial for idea sharing, can also be a vector for impersonation and scams. So, is TradingView safe? The platform itself appears to have robust security measures in place for data protection and privacy, and they are transparent about their efforts. However, like any widely used online platform, it's a constant battle against external threats. The ultimate safety of your experience largely depends on your own proactive security habits, using strong passwords, enabling 2FA, being cautious of suspicious links, and verifying information from official sources. TradingView provides the tools and infrastructure, but securing your digital footprint within that ecosystem is a shared responsibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.